Yo, so what I'm building right now is I want to be able to take this game from chess.com, and my goal is to be able to play it against the computer from that given position. And so I'm building this tool and I'm competing 6 models against each other to help me build this game. So basically, just so you understand, like you have the whole context, is I want to grab this share link here. Then the next thing I want to do is go to PGN tab. I have to wait for everything to load. Then I gotta click this clipboard, and then I want to go over to leechess.org, and then I want to go over here and hit play with the computer, and then in there I want to put that position's FEN. That will load up that exact position. And so, for example, if I change the FEN to something else, it will change the position, and then I want to click a button, and then it should be able to like take me to that particular position. Okay, so that's currently what I'm working on building. And just so you can kind of see where I'm at so far is like, let's go to some random game. Okay, let's go to this position here. Now I'm going to hit play with computer, and you can see automatically it's like already put me in that spot, right? And notice, so the last part that I'm working on right now is it should, when it sends me over to Lichess, it should also figure out what color I'm playing. Okay, so if it knows what color I'm playing, then it can do the last part, which is like I don't even have to think about playing this position from white or black. It should automatically know that information from chess.com, so it can press either this button or this button based on which color I am. That way I don't have to look at this thing, think which color I am, and then choose my color. Okay, so that part we're going to take that away. And after it copies this FEN, but before it goes over to Lichess, what needs to happen is we need to hit this. We need to grab what color I am from this PGN here. And I pitted all these AI models against each other, and Sonnet keeps getting this bug here. So for example, when I actually do this from Sonnet, watch is gonna get the wrong color. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna hit play with the computer, and when it goes, it gets the color wrong. So it's saying color is black. That's wrong, because if you look here, white is clever programmer. But now let's go ahead and take O3 Mini's code right here. Okay, I'm gonna paste this in. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh here, and I will hit play with computer, and you will see color white. Okay, let's try a different game. Let's see if it gets my color right even on that game. So here I am black. Okay, let's pick a position that's not checkmate. Okay, let's pick this position right here, and I'm gonna hit play with computer. Oh, it actually does not get the color right in this case. The color is still wrong. So we gotta keep working on it. That's interesting because it's black here for a clever programmer. Okay, so I'm gonna go and just tell it, okay, we're getting the color wrong. For example, even in the game black, like this one, it's passing the color URL param to be white or vice versa. TC. Okay, and now you can see how it starts working, right? They all start writing. And I thought Llama was the fastest, but actually GPT-4o is one of the fastest, which is crazy. GPT-4o is like lightning fast. Quen Max is pretty good too, but Mini and Sonnet get me the closest, I've noticed consistently. So let's go ahead and try this. This is from Mini. I'll refresh. And now let's click. Okay, So I'm gonna keep working on it, but you guys get the idea, right? Like this is pretty cool how you can pit all the models against each other. Just want to show you guys this so you guys can actually try this stuff as well. So here's the crazy part. Of all the models, fucking Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking got this one. So I'll click here, for example, play with computer, and you can see it opens, brings me here, and the color is white and it has the right position. Okay, now let's go to a different game where I'm black, like this one, and let's see. Okay, let's go and open this one, and it got it. It got that I'm black here. So absolutely hilarious and crazy, but Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking got this one accurate. Um, I can the like O1 and Sonnet were both not right. So it's crazy, like which models get what right. I mean, it kind of blows my mind.